To tutorial race, and in this video you are learning CRUD operation using OOPS programming language system or object-oriented programming system. So in the last video you saw that how you can delete the record from the database, and in this video you will learn how to edit. So to edit the record, we need to create here a file edit.php id equals to, so it will be similar to this one. So simply let's copy this line and paste here. Okay, so and then we need to create a file called edit.php. so in edit.php basically we will have insert. Okay, this insert.php code, this HTML particularly, we will just copy and then paste here into edit.php, the insert.php code. Okay, now name it as edit.php. so when we will click here, let's refresh it, and when we will click here, there is something wrong here. ID email is missing here somehow. Index email, last name, then email. Okay, somehow this was missing here, so let's write here email. Now it should be perfect. Okay, now let's click on this edit button, then you can see it is opening here. So when user clicks on edit button, then the user should be redirected to this edit.php file, and then here the data, the record should be filled. Okay, the data automatically should be filled based on this ID. So if you see here in database, then localhost php my admin, so the record should display here based on this. So if I click on this edit, now let's do one thing here. We need to make a query, here in edit.php file. Okay, so let's go to top of the file and then write this code. So better, let's once again copy from this here, and then edit.php, just paste here, and apart from that we need to make a query here based on the ID. Okay, and here we need to write a code like this, $var, so where ID equals to this one, and then we will pass this registration as a table and ID. Okay, so if you write something like this, then you will see the where condition. Okay, so it will be where ID equal to 6. Since we don't have this function in our function.php, so we need to create this function. So basically we are calling this function get single and then passing here table as parameter and where condition, this one. Okay, so now let's go to this function.php here, and let's create a function called public function, then get single, and then here it will be $table and then $var. Okay, two things we will pass here, and then we will make a query here, and inside this we need to write this code. It is very simple, and you might be familiar with this code because we are writing here select star from table. So table name will come from edit page here, registration. So it will be more of like select star from table, select star from registration, where ID equal to whatever ID is. Then MySQL query, and then MySQLite fetch array, and then this $rs this function will return. So now let's get back to here once again, and then here in this rows, dollar rows, the data you can check here, print r, and then dollar rows. So now check here, you can see expect line number 69, line number function.php, line number 69, somewhere here 69. Okay, so dollar fare table, let's check here, echo. So it is registrations for registration simply in edit. Oh, once again mistake here, it is registration, not registrations. Okay, so table name is coming from edit.php, from here registration table name, and then where condition, that means this one. Now here, no, function.php, let's once again try now, and you can see the data is coming here. So it is more of like, it's like to extract from, so in PHP term we can say like this, select star from registration where id equals to 6. So it is like this. Okay, then the data is returned to the edit.php. Now since it contains all their code, so now we can display into our field here. So say here app name, then value php echo, php echo, and then dollar let's say rows, and then f underscore name. Let's see whether the name is coming or not. Now refresh it, you can see the name is coming. So similarly we need to paste this kind of code into other fields also. For example, if you want to display here, in that case value will be lname. Alright, then in this case value will be email. Oh, sorry, email. And here password, we don't need this password actually, or we can do like this, we can show password also, so it will be password, but password because the password will not, so it will be showing here as a dotted dot. Okay, so let's see here now. You can see name Umar Haman, then email, there is something wrong, right? There is yeah, so is that admin actually? Let's check here. Database name is CRUD, and then inside that CRUD and table name is registrations, email is umar@gmail.com. so why is it showing like this? Dollar rows email. Why is showing this admin here rather than email? Yeah, now it's showing perfect. Okay, so now we can see that this is edit section. So whichever field, let's do like this once again. Let's insert a new record, insert.php, and then here Rajesh Kumar, rajesh@gmail.com, and then 1 2 3 4 5. Now submit. Then you can see, if you click this edit button, then you can see this record. Okay, so that's it in this video. This is edit. In the next video, and final, I will show you how to do the update, this one. Thanks for watching.